My father often spoke about Europe just as if it was part of our family. He kept saying, Europe is so precious. We have to take care of it because it's all we have. He said that often at our kitchen table to me and my many siblings.
I was also at the kitchen table in Luxembourg, where my parents told me that if the Germans and the French speak together and don't shoot at each other, we in Luxembourg, we are safe. And if we put coal and steel together, that will make sure that our industries work together, but for a purpose which is serving peace and prosperity. That was true in the 50s, and it is true today. And that is why it is more important than ever that we speak together, that we promote reasonable policies, economic, social, and green policies, but all together.